What's up, guys? Coach Matt Pittman here from Pittman Performance, and welcome to the Fit Project, your weekly workouts designed to help you be strong, be mobile. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel below to get the latest workouts as they're posted. Jen is joining me for today's workout, which is a total body blaster and part of our quickie workout series. This workout will hit out all the major muscles in almost no time at all. We're going to go through everything for 2 rounds, so your heart should be pumping by the end of it. The only equipment you will need is 1 set of dumbbells. Alright guys, it's time to get to work. Today's workout includes push-ups, bent over dumbbell rows, back lunges, RDLs with dumbbells, and then dead bugs with alternating limbs. Alright guys, let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to have Jen do is get in all fours. We're going to get into a push-up position. Now, you can either do this on your knees, or if you're a little bit more advanced, you can do it from the position she's in, which is up on your toes. Don't freak out if you can't do it on your toes. Master it on the knees and you'll get there. The biggest thing we want to focus on is we want a straight line from her knees up to her head. So we're going to have her walk her hands a little bit more forward. She's going to squeeze her butt, brace her abs. She's now in a perfect line. Feet is slightly elevated. And we're just going to do 10 reps, trying to take our chest all the way down to the ground. Pause and drive up. Go get it, Jen. 1, down. And 2, she's staying a nice straight line. Keep thinking about that. 3, 4, 5 left, guys. 4, 3, make sure everything stays engaged, squeeze your butt. 2 more. Good, 1 more. Excellent. All right, guys, go ahead and stand on up. We're gonna get into bent over dumbbell rows. We're gonna have Jen grab the dumbbells. She's gonna face this way. So we're gonna get that good hinge pattern. So go ahead and get right there. Bend over just a little bit more. So right now, her back is almost flat. Her legs are what's holding her up. Everything's nice and engaged. And she's just going to drive her elbows nice and smoothly hold, and then down slow. Nothing moves except the arms. We're just going to get 10, guys. 3, 4. Remember to breathe. Abs braced. Hips are loaded. Good. Excellent. Keep breathing. Good. Keep in with those abs. Everything's nice and engaged. Good. Last one. Get a good hold. And down. Notice how she did not change positions at all. That's the big key here. Next up, we're going to get into back lunges. So we're going to have Jen stand right here, facing this direction. And she's going to step back with her left leg. We're going to do 10 left, 10 right. Take it back and hold it. We're going to come down. Right now, she's got a lot of weight on her heel of her front foot. Her knee's pretty much over her midfoot. Left leg is there. She's squeezing her left butt cheek. She's going to use her right leg to drive up and forward. Good. We're going to get 9 more of those. Come down, pause, drive up. 8 more. Pause, drive up. Good. Back up. Excellent. Hold. Back up. 5 left, guys. Definitely add load to this if you want. It's not necessary. Good. Back up. See how she's keeping her knee right over the mid part of her foot. Heel staying down. That's what's most important. Good. Last one. Let's get a hold here and drive up and through. All right. Switch legs. Now we're going to lead with the right. Left leg goes back. Let's go. Good. Back up. Hold, back up. Go. All right, that's 4. Got 6 more. Good. 5. Good. Nice and smooth. Make sure you own that bottom position. You want 3 points of contact on that front foot. Make big toe, pinky toe, and heel. Good. Last one. Let's get a good hold it, hold it, hold it. Drive up and through. Awesome. Next up, we're going to get into RDLs, which is short for Romanian deadlifts. Kind of like a stiff-legged deadlift. So we're going to have Jen grab the dumbbells. She's going to face me. Good. She's going to start by shoving her hips backward. Her knees don't move. We're going to get to that nice flat back position. Soften your knees a little bit more, Jen. Good. And now shift those hips back. Getting down. Hold right here. Now Jen's very flexible, so she's got a lot of space to go through, but that's as far as she needs to go. Come up. Squeeze her glutes. We're going to do 9 more of those. 2. It's really just hips go back. Smash your hips forward. You're not bending over, you're hinging. That's the big difference here. You should feel your hamstrings at the bottom, glutes at the top, abs the whole time. Good. Hips down. Excellent. Remember, hips go back, hips go forward. Nothing else. Good. Soft knees. So you don't want your legs locked, but you don't want them too bent. You just want them nice and soft. Last one. Hold right there. Feel those hamstrings. Rip those hips. Good, put those dumbbells down. So we hit pretty much everything except the core, so now we're gonna get into that. So we're gonna have Jen lay flat on her back. We're gonna do dead bugs. We're gonna alternate which limbs are going down. So first we're gonna have everything up in the air. Now envision you have a weight scale underneath your lower back. You want to start to crush that weight scale with your lumbar to register the biggest number possible on that weight scale. Now the more advanced you are, the straighter your legs can be. If you're less advanced, you can go here at 90 degrees. It's up to you. The biggest thing is don't let that lumbar come off the ground. So here's what we're gonna do. Listen to my cadence. We're gonna go right arm, right leg down, come up, hold. We're gonna go left arm, left leg. Good. Hold. Good. Hold. Whatever legs aren't moving, crush those together. Good. That's 2 each. We're gonna get 5 total each. 3, go. 3, good. Right arm, right leg. 4, good. Left arm, left leg. 4, we're taxing that brain. 1 more each side. 5, hold it, crush that lumbar, and come on down and relax. Excellent. All right, flip over on your stomach. Let's get into those push-ups. 1 more round, guys. So don't get in a rush that your form starts getting sloppy. Make sure you got a straight line. Regardless if you're on your feet or on your knees, still a straight line. Abs engaged. Let's get 10, guys. Down and drive. 1 and drive. 2 and 3. 4, good. Hold here at the top, make sure everything's straight, looks good. Let's go, 5 more. 1, 3 left, guys, down, drive, good. Drive, 2 more. Drive, last one, guys, stay flat, abs engaged, squeeze your butt, drive, and relax, awesome. Let's stand on up, let's get into the bent over dumbbell rows. Dumbbells, face the side. We're gonna get into that hinge position. You're gonna try to get your torso as flat to the ground as possible. 10 reps, drive the elbows straight up, hold, and down. Whenever you're doing a pulling motion, if you envision the weight is behind your elbow and you're pushing that weight backward, it tends to work your back a little bit more instead of thinking of just pulling, which is gonna make you tax your biceps a little bit more. Good, 4 left, make sure your hamstrings and hips are what's holding you up, not your back. Good, finish strong, guys. Elbows stay tight to the ribs. Get a good hold, and down. Excellent. All right, put those on the ground. Let's get back into those back lunges. Hold right there. So we're starting with the right leg first. It goes back and drive up through the left heel. Don't let your left knee move all that much. Back up. Find balance and explode. Good. Really feel like you're driving your foot through the floor. That's what initiates you to come back up. You're almost coming up at like a 45-degree angle. Good. Use the front leg. Drive it through the floor. Good. 2 more, guys. Good. Last one. Let's make it suck a little bit more. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And drive up. Good. All right, other leg. Drive. Left leg goes back. Drive it through the right foot. Hold and drive. Excellent. Hold and drive. Make sure we keep that heel of the right foot down the whole time. Good. Heart rate should be busting through the roof right now. And drive. Good. Legs should get a little wobbly. Good. Last one. Let's hold it, hold it, hold it. Make it shake and drive. Awesome job. All right, let's grab those dumbbells. Let's get back to those RDLs. So make sure you get a good brace in your abs here before we shift those hips. We don't want a whole lot of pelvis stuff going on, okay? Dumbbells slide right down the legs, hold it, and whip those hips forward, squeeze your glutes to the top. And rip through. Once again, we're just getting 10, guys. Feel free to increase your reps if you want to, increase load. Good. Whip the hips. Good. Excellent. Ease into your ranges of motion with this, guys. If you haven't done this before, you can start going mid-thigh and then start working your way down to like basically the bottom of your kneecap. Good. Looks good. Good hip snap. Last one. Come down. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Feel those hamstrings, and now rip those hips. Dumbbells down. All right, guys. We're almost done. We're going to do 5 and 5 of those dead bugs again. So on your back. Finish up with your core. So let's go. Legs up, arms up. Hold here for a sec. Begin crushing the ground with your lumbar. We're going to go right arm, right leg, and then left arm, left leg, 5 each. Right arm, right leg. Come up, stick it. Good. Left arm, left leg. Come up, stick it. Right arm, right leg. Stick. Left arm, left leg. Stick, 3 more each. Good, left, left. 2 more each, right, right. Left, left. Good, right, right. Hold it there, come on up. Left one, hold it, hold it, hold it. And come on up, hold right here. Crush the ground now for 10. 9, keep driving that lumbar down. 8, 7, make those abs burn. 6, everything's shaking. 5, 4, keep breathing. 3, 2, and relax. That was awesome, guys. Great job. Your entire body should be all fired up after that routine. Keep up the good work, and as always, remember to be strong, be mobile.